Hi, namaste. So, I think I have given break yesterday, Sunday. So I thought now I'll be going. Thank you, universe, very detailed. So we have gone with the introduction and all the things, small exercises, everything. I just made you to experience. Okay, this all things. If you are going small things, but if you are putting into the habit, we raise our vibration. And for what this vibration raising? And for what this universe raising? Why this gratitude? When we raise our vibration, basically for what we are working? We are working for good health, wealth, and happiness. Like you can have good health when you vibrate positively. When you have good health, vibrating positive, you get the wealth. What is wealth? It is not that how much money you have in bank account. Wealth means the money you are earning is able to fulfill your requirement. You are able to do charity. You have certain amount saving for future. When you have both health and wealth, you truly have happiness. Normally we find the happiness is outside world. We search all our happiness outside world, searching the desire to be fulfilled, right? The more desire, the more requirement, we become more unhappy. Your happiness is inside you. You only create your happiness, and that starts from your health and good vibration of your body, positive vibration. So these are all small things I have told, which we have ignored minutely. I have told you very minutely to raise your own vibration. So raise your own vibration to get the good health, wealth, happiness. And this all starts from gratitude. That means if you have learned to be happy with what you have, that means you have started earning all these things. I say again, if you learn how to be happy and how to manage what you have today, then you have all these things with you. That everything starts from your gratitude. And gratitude for what? What you have today. So normally when you say people what you have today, be grateful for that. People won't go very deep into that. People think, okay, if I have something good or somebody has given, then I'll be grateful, right? So I'm just giving some example. Suppose it is me. What for today I'm grateful. Now if today is evening, what for I'm grateful. When I morning I woke up, I found I'm living. So I just smile and thank you universe. I'm living today. First morning. I go for washing my face. I have gone to washroom. Thank you universe. I have water to drink and clean myself. I know that I'm breathing, living today. Thank you universe. I'm breathing today. Then I did brush everything. Thank you universe, the money you provided. You have provided. I could buy the things which I required. Now my office work, conference, con call, meeting. Thank you universe for the job you have given me, or you have given me earning source. I'm doing the meeting with phone. Thank you universe for providing me the beautiful phone. Then I have gone to the office by my vehicle, whatever the vehicle you have. Thank you universe for providing me vehicle for my convenience. Easily I could able to reach office. Okay, now I have reached office. Thank you universe for my office space. Like that, lot of things today I have done. And now at present, what I'm saying, I just give an example. You might have came across lot of things. Your friend, your smile, everything. Somebody has given gift. Somebody you have given something to someone. Everything. If you be thankful, you are very minutely understanding what you have with you. Now, what I say now, thank you universe for giving me that knowledge which I could able to spread the universe. I'm standing here in front of you. I could able to teach you. I can able to guide you. I can able to inform you the knowledge I have. Thank you universe for this knowledge. Everything. Thank you universe. I'm standing in front of the people. Universe. So when you go very minutely, you will understand what all things you have. You have along with you. When you have started, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, gratitude with all these things, you raise your vibration, and universe understand what for you are thankful. Universe will feel free and feel happy to provide you more because you have shown the gratitude what you have got, right? So thank you. Tomorrow we are going with very detailed with the book, every chapter, because the first thing was that to raise your vibration, health, wealth, happiness. The ultimate goal of our life is to have good health. And believe me, today's your wealth is your good health. Today, your happiness is your good health. When you raise your own vibration, this all you attract. And I will go at the last law of attraction for the purpose we are doing. We are basically this all guidance, everything which practically I came across throughout my life. This is only been given not from the book, not from anything, which I did, which I have gone into the practice, that has been provided. I am happy today. Thank you. Be happy. Namaste.